so beautiful and it smells good, mga cooking ina and everyone. Hope you will enjoy while you're joining here in my kitchen making our lasagna recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share my version of basic lasagna recipe. And the ingredients we need of this recipe are: we need milk, crushed tomato, butter, Parmesan cheese, salt, ground black pepper, oregano, basilica, tomato paste, garlic, onions, beef cubes, flour, and grated cheese. A lot of grated cheese. And we have lasagna plates. This is a lasagna plates with the spinach. I like to use this because it's twist and healthy. There is a spinach in this lasagna plates. And of course, we need minced meat. This is ground beef. We have 1 kilo of this, and we need our lasagna plate. I have lasagna plate. There is a name lasagna in there. So now, mga cooking ina and everyone, very much welcome joining and follow me making my basic lasagna recipe. We need to make 2 types of sauce. First, we need to make our meat sauce, mga cooking ina. So now let's do it together. We're do like this. We need to heat our pot. Then we're going to add our butter. This is 25 grams of butter. So we melt our butter in a medium heat. Then we're going to add our onions. Our onions. Stir it. Then our garlic. We add our garlic. Then mix. And at this point, we're going to add our minced meat. So we're going to add this. This. Then we are going to mix well in this together with our onion, garlic, and our butter. We mix this well, mga cooking na. We let it cook and boil first for a few minutes our meat. Mga cooking na. Then if you see that our meat is look brown and cooked, we're going to add our crushed tomato. This is our crushed tomato. We're going to add this here. So then we mix well. And now we're going to add our beef cubes. So we're going to add our beef cubes. I use 2 beef cubes, because we have 1 kilo of ground beef, so that it's more tasty our lasagna. So we're going to mix this and we let it boil again, so that our beef cubes will be melt and mixed to our sauce. Mga cooking na. Let's do like this. Then after this, we're going to add our tomato paste. Our tomato paste. We're going to add our ground black pepper. Add this. So Then we mix well again. So, then we're going to add our salt. Little bit of salt first we're going to add to wake up our flavor. So, it smells good. Then we're going to test this mga cooking ina if we need more salt. Let's test it. Very good. But I need more salt. Little bit. So, mix. Then test it again. Perfect. It's very good. Then we let this boil for a few minutes, and we're going to add the last two ingredients for our meat sauce mga cooking ina. So we let it boil. And then after we let it boil for like 8 to 10 minutes mga cooking ina, we're going to add our oregano and our basilica. At this point mga cooking ina, our meat sauce for our lasagna is ready. So we're going to set aside this, and then we start make our second sauce. And we set aside this one here, and then we're going to start our bechamel sauce. And now we're going to melt into a low medium heat our butter. We melt our butter slowly in a very low heat mga cooking ina to avoid burning our butter. Then we're going to add our flour. We need 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we mix our flour to our butter in a medium heat mga cooking ina. So if you see like this mga cooking ina that our flour is mixing to our butter, we're going to add our 1 liter of milk. So we're going to add 1 liter of milk. So slowly we mix this like this. We continue adding, we add slowly our milk to our butter and flour. So slowly mga cooking ina until our 1 liter of milk will be joined to our mixture. So do like this. So our sauce is starting thickening mga cooking ina. Then mga cooking ina, we're going to add a pinch of salt to our sauce. Like that. Then we mix well. Our sauce is thickening now. Look mga cooking ina. Some cooking lasagna mix cheese to the sauce. It's depend on us mga cooking ina. Me, I'd like to separate that sauce then our grated cheese. So now it's ready. Mga cooking ina and everyone. Our sauce is ready. So we're going to start plating our lasagna. First, we're going to bisque our milk sauce, mga cooking ina. We do like this to our lasagna plate. So then we're going to put our lasagna plate. Just do like this. Then we add our meat sauce, mga cooking ina. We do like this. It looks good. It smells good. And then our milk sauce again. Just do like this. Then our cheese, mga cooking ina, our grated cheese we're adding like this. I like a lot of cheese. Next, our lasagna plate. So we do like this. Then our meat sauce. So we do like this. Very simple to make lasagna, mga cooking ina, diba? It's like this. Then our milk sauce. We add this one again. It's the same procedure, mga cooking ina. So we add this one like that. Then our grated cheese. So we just do like this. Cheese is very good. So then lasagna plate again. We just do like that. This is 3 layers of lasagna plate we're doing, mga cooking ina. So we do like that. Then here. Then maybe then. So then this one here. So we're going to add more, mga cooking ina. To use all our milk sauce, mga cooking ina, in this. We do like this. Do like this. So then we're going to add all our cheese here. So and then we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. So we just do like this. See that? It's very good. So now our lasagna is ready to continue cooking in our oven, which is preheated of 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, mga cooking inan, everyone. Let's put it in the oven. Look at our lasagna! It's pretty and beautiful. It's so hot. And now, look at our lasagna. So beautiful and it smells good, mga cooking ina and everyone. Thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen while we're making our lasagna recipe. And I hope you will try this in your kitchen and for your family as well so that you will enjoy lasagna recipe. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!